Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we'll see how we can lock and unlock sites, whether it could be the SharePoint sites or the OneDrive sites. So before we proceed to go to our lab environment, let me brief you up what exactly we mean by locking and unlocking the sites. So as a global admin or a SharePoint admin in Microsoft 365, we can block the access to a site or make the site read-only by using the PowerShell. And but there is one thing, like we can't set the lock state of root site. So basically we can set the site to three states. The first state is no access, which means we can prevent users from accessing the site and its content. If the site is set to no access, when the user will be trying to access the site, they will get 403 error. Now the second state is read only. After setting the site to read only mode, we can prevent users from adding, updating or deleting the content. A message will appear on the site stating that the site is under maintenance and is read only. And the last state is unlock state, which we called as an active state, in which the site is available for the users. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's demonstrate today's video. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay, so friends, now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center, and to demonstrate today's video, we'll randomly pick any one of the sites. So for today's video, let me pick one SharePoint site with the name of content type. So let me try to access the site in the new tab. And as of now, you can see all the users, those who have permission on the site, they can simply go to site contents, they can modify the site, they can upload the documents, and they can perform each and everything on the site. Okay friends, now we'll open PowerShell and let's see how we can set the site to read-only mode, and then we'll see how we can set the site to no access, which means in the lock state. So for that, let's open PowerShell. Okay friends, so now we are on our Windows PowerShell, and first of all we'll connect to our SPO service. So for that, we'll type a command, connect-SPO service. Now we have to provide the URL of the SharePoint Admin Center. Let me quickly provide the credentials. Okay, so now we are connected. So first of all, let's see what is the status of the site. So for that, we'll type a command, get-SPO site-identity. So we'll copy the URL of the site, pipefl. So in the pipefl of the site, you can see the site is in active state and the lock state is unlocked. It will give you all the details of the site. Now let's see how we can set the site to read only first. Okay, so we have executed the command to set the site to read only mode. Let's check the status of the site by taking out the fl. And you can see the lock state is now read only. So let's go to a site and let's see what change we are able to see on the site. Let me refresh the page once. Okay, so you can see the message, the site is read only at the administrator request. So if I'll go to home, you can see we are not able to, edit any home page. If I will go to documents, I will not be able to, add any document or modify the document. Everything will be in the read only mode. I cannot change anything or make any modification. Similarly for the pages and the site contents, in the entire site is now set to read only mode only. So you can see we are not even getting the option to add any document. So after setting the site to read only mode, we will not be able to add, update or delete the content from the site. Alright, so now we'll go back and let's set the site to no access mode. Now from read only, we will set the site to no access. Okay, we'll execute this command. Alright, let's take the pipefl of the site once again. And you can see here the lock state is now to no access. Let's go back and let's check. Let me go to home. And you can see now when we are trying to access the site, it's giving us the error message 403 forbidden. So now the site is having the no access. In order to get the access of this site once again, we have to change the lock state to unlock. Okay. Now let's go back. Let me refresh the page. And you can see once again, now our site is in the unlock state and users can go to, site contents and upload any document or make any deletion or add any new documents. Similarly, we can do the same thing for the OneDrive as well. So in another browser, I have logged in using one user credentials. Let's go there. Okay friends, so now on different browser, I have logged in using the credentials of Ritika, as you can see over here. ritika@kaptech.onmicrosoft.com. This is the user of my organization. Now you can see Ritika is having access to her OneDrive. She can basically add new documents and do anything to the OneDrive. The OneDrive is accessible for her. Similarly, like we did on the SharePoint sites, we can set the OneDrive site as well to the read only and no access mode. For that, the command will be the same. Let me give you a quick demonstration regarding this also. You just need to simply put here the URL of the OneDrive site of the user. So I have set the site to read only. So if Ritika will try to access her OneDrive, you can see she is not getting the option to add any document inside the OneDrive. There is no option to upload or to create a new file. It's simply she can access the existing documents, and even she will not be able to make any changes on the document. And if you want to set the site to no access, okay, so now we have set the site to no access of Ritika, and if Ritika will try to access the OneDrive, you can see she will get the error. Please try again to refresh the page. She will not be able to access the OneDrive. All the files over here will be inaccessible. Again, the same command, we just need to enter over here, unlock. And now if Ritika will refresh her OneDrive, now she is getting the option to add the documents, and similarly she can modify or delete the content within her OneDrive. So friends, that's how we can lock and unlock sites, whether it is a SharePoint site or OneDrive sites for users. So that's conclude our video demonstration.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.